Hi, I'm Kim Maciel. I have a single subject credential in biological sciences and supplementary authorization in chemistry through the state of California. This is video where I need to answer these questions. So the first question is, what does personalized learning mean to me? And to put it simply and succinctly, it just means that you know your student or students, and you offer them what you can to facilitate their learning best. And obviously that's not the same for every student. I really believe in personalized learning. I did homeschool both of my children, my daughter through 4th grade and my son through 3rd grade. I felt like I was the best person to get them to learn. There came a point where I felt like the socialization was a little important and we did go into a traditional classroom, but I do think that homeschooling situation and that personalized learning was very important for to give them just a really solid base to go into the traditional classroom. Second question, what 21st century tools can I use? I did teach science, high school science, through the COVID time, remote learning time, 2019 and 2020 and 2020 to 2021. So it was not ideal for science, in my opinion. Laboratory activities are very important, in my opinion, for teaching science. But since that wasn't available, it did force me to find some other things. And so that was a positive thing. I am very well versed in using Google Classroom, obviously. Can't do it without Google Classroom. But I also have a lot of experience using some of the other Google apps, like Pear Deck. We used a lot of Pear Deck. Used Jamboard some. Another great website to sort of fill in the gaps. Again, nothing takes the place of the lab activities, but what we did what we could do. One of those websites I used was the University of Colorado PhET simulations, which were really good. I also used a website called the Physics Classroom, which had some great simulations, not even just for physics, but also in some chemistry. I did a lot of work with the gizmos for the biology class. I really liked their labs for biology and used those quite a bit. And of course, we discovered Kahoot, which the kids love, just for reviewing and what have you. So I feel very confident and adept at using those applications for remote or distance learning. Why am I a good fit for Visions? Well, the first reason is that I've had a lot of experience teaching science, especially remotely and with distance learning. I feel pretty adept at using the technology that's out there to better facilitate the learning of my students. I also think I'm a good fit because I truly do believe in personalized education. The fact that I homeschooled both of my kids shows that, and I would just like the opportunity to work with you. Thanks.